Welcome to Investor Web, your reliable source for enriching content that helps you grow in all aspects of life. Here we believe that life is a journey of constant self-improvement. That's why we're committed to providing you with valuable content that inspires personal and financial growth. Whether you're seeking to broaden your mind, increase your wealth, or simply become a better version of yourself, Investor Web is your trusted partner on this journey. Our mission is to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to make the most of your life. We delve into a variety of topics from financial literacy to emotional intelligence, all designed to help you navigate the complexities of life with confidence and ease. So buckle up and get ready to embark on this exciting journey of self-discovery and growth with us. In today's video, we will be discussing the 10 steps to take to be the best version of yourself. The first step to becoming the best version of yourself is developing self-awareness. So what does self-awareness really mean? It's the conscious knowledge of one's own character, feelings, desires, and motivations. Imagine you're the captain of a ship. Self-awareness is your compass. It guides your decisions and actions, steering you towards your true north. Why is self-awareness crucial in self-improvement? Well, it's simple. You can't change what you don't know. By understanding your strengths and weaknesses, you can leverage the former and work on the latter. It's about recognizing your emotions and how they affect your thoughts and behavior. It's about understanding your values, your beliefs, what drives you, what drains you. Think of self-awareness as the foundation of a house. Without a solid foundation, the house can't stand. Similarly, without self-awareness, your journey to self-improvement can't truly begin. So, take time to introspect, to understand yourself better. Remember, understanding yourself is the key to unlocking your potential. Step 2 involves setting clear and concise goals. Now you might wonder, why is that? You see, goals serve as a compass guiding us towards our desired future. They provide a clear focus, directing our attention and efforts towards meaningful activities. Imagine your journey of self-improvement as an adventure. Without a map or a destination, you'll likely wander aimlessly. But with a well-defined goal, you've got a destination in sight, a clear path to follow. It's like setting your GPS before embarking on a road trip. And remember, there's no such thing as a goal too big or too ambitious. In fact, the higher you aim, the further you'll reach. Goals should be challenging, compelling you to step out of your comfort zone. They should ignite your determination and fuel your perseverance. So take some time, reflect on what you truly want, set your goals, write them down, make them tangible. Aim high and don't stop until you get there. The third step is embracing change. Change, my friends, is the only constant in life. It's the ebb and flow of our existence. It can be as small as changing your morning routine or as big as moving to a different country. Change, though often feared, is crucial for personal growth. It pushes us out of our comfort zones, challenges our preconceptions, and sparks evolution in our thoughts and actions. Embracing change means facing the unknown head-on, with open arms and an open mind. It's about accepting that what was may not be what will be, and that's okay. It's about finding the courage to let go of the familiar and stepping into the new, the different, the unexpected. Remember, every transformation begins with a single change. Each change is a stepping stone on your path to becoming the best version of yourself. So don't resist change. Embrace it. Change is inevitable. Growth is optional. Step 4 is all about lifelong learning. The pursuit of knowledge should be ceaseless, a journey without an endpoint. In our quest to become the best versions of ourselves, it is crucial to understand that learning doesn't stop when we graduate from school or university. In this ever-evolving world, new knowledge and skills are constantly emerging. To stay ahead, we must be open, curious, and willing to learn. Whether it's picking up a new language, mastering a musical instrument, or understanding the intricate workings of the stock market, every bit of knowledge we gain adds another layer to our personal and professional growth. Remember, knowledge gives you the power to make informed decisions, to adapt, to innovate, and to inspire others. It broadens your horizons, sharpens your mind, and fuels your spirit. Never confine learning to a classroom. Make the world your university, so keep learning, keep growing, keep evolving. Learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. The fifth step is maintaining a positive attitude. Picture your journey towards becoming the best version of yourself as a grand adventure. It's filled with peaks of joy, valleys of challenges, and the occasional unexpected twist. A positive attitude is your trusty compass guiding you through it all. It's the inner force that keeps your spirits high, even when you're knee-deep in the muddiest of situations. It's the light that illuminates your path, helping you spot opportunities where others only see obstacles. Positivity fuels determination, fosters resilience, and cultivates an environment conducive to growth. It's like an unwavering cheerleader, constantly reminding you of your strengths, your potential, and the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. So keep your chin up, your mind open, and your heart optimistic. Let positivity be your constant companion on this journey. Remember, your attitude, not your aptitude, will determine your altitude. Step 6 is about embracing a healthy lifestyle. Now, the term healthy living often brings to mind images of green smoothies, gym memberships, and grueling workout routines. But let's clear the air. Healthy living is not confined to physical fitness alone. It's a holistic concept encompassing a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and mental well-being. Consider your body as a high-performance vehicle. It requires quality fuel, regular maintenance, and careful handling to keep going at its best. The same applies to us. Our bodies need nutritious food, consistent exercise, and plenty of rest to function optimally. And remember, mental health is just as important as physical health. Practices like meditation, mindfulness, and stress management techniques can significantly contribute to overall well-being. So take a moment to reflect on your current lifestyle. Are there areas you could improve? Remember, this is not about achieving perfection, but about striving for balance and moderation. Because as the saying goes, health is the greatest wealth. Step 7 is developing emotional intelligence. This is more than just a buzzword. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is the ability to understand, use, and manage your own emotions in positive ways. It's about recognizing your own emotional state and the emotional states of others. But why is emotional intelligence crucial to becoming the best version of yourself? Well, it allows you to navigate the social complexities of the world, lead at work, and achieve your career and personal goals. It can help you to empathize with others, create effective communication, diffuse conflicts, and improve relationships both personally and professionally. It's about being aware of your emotions and how they can influence your thoughts and actions. It's about being able to manage your emotions and not letting them manage you. Emotional intelligence is not the opposite of intelligence, it's the intersection of both. Step 8 is about networking. As we navigate the journey to becoming the best versions of ourselves, it's important to acknowledge the role of others in our growth. Networking is about building a web of professional relationships that can help us progress in our personal and career paths. Imagine having a vast pool of mentors, collaborators, and friends who can provide advice, share opportunities, and challenge your perspectives. That's the power of a strong network. It's not about using people, but rather fostering mutually beneficial relationships. Networking can occur in various settings, from professional conferences to online forums. The key is to be genuine, show interest in others, and be willing to lend a hand when needed. Remember, it's a two-way street. Creating and nurturing this network can take time, but the benefits are immeasurable. It can open doors to opportunities that you may not have had access to otherwise. Your network is your net worth. Step 9 is developing financial literacy. Now, you might be wondering, how does understanding money contribute to self-improvement? Well, it's simple. When you're financially literate, you're in control. You understand how to manage your personal finances, how to save, invest, and grow your wealth. And this isn't just about becoming rich, it's about achieving financial security and freedom. Being financially literate means you're less likely to fall into debt traps. You're better prepared for life's unexpected expenses, and you're more likely to achieve your financial goals. It's not about amassing a fortune overnight, but about understanding the principles of money and putting them into practice. It's about being able to make informed financial decisions that align with your life goals. Remember, money is a tool. When used wisely, it can open doors, provide opportunities, and give you the freedom to be the best version of yourself. Financial freedom is available to those who learn about it and work for it. The final step is consistency. It's the foundation upon which all meaningful and lasting self-improvement is built. Just as a house is built brick by brick, so too is the best version of yourself constructed one consistent action at a time. It's those daily habits, the small steps taken consistently that lead to big changes over time. Maintaining consistency might be challenging at times as life throws its curveballs, but remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about showing up time and time again, even when things are tough. It's about sticking with your goals, your plans, and your dreams, not just when it's easy, but especially when it's hard. Because in the end, it's not the grand once-in-a-lifetime actions that define us. It's the small daily actions we take consistently. Consistency, my friends, is truly the key to becoming the best version of yourself. Consistency is key. It's not what we do once in a while that shapes our lives, but what we do consistently. And there you have it, the 10 steps to become the best version of yourself. We've journeyed through understanding self-awareness, recognizing the importance of setting goals, and embracing change. We've also touched on the necessity of lifelong learning, maintaining a positive attitude, and living a healthy lifestyle. We delved into the significance of emotional intelligence, the value of networking, and the critical role of financial literacy. Lastly, we reminded you that consistency is the key that holds all these steps together. Each of these steps is a stepping stone on your path to personal growth and self-improvement. It's a journey that never truly ends, but one that gets more rewarding with each stride. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself, so why wait? Start today and make each day count. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to Investor Web for more insightful content. Until next time, keep growing, keep investing in yourself.